Hi there, Dr. Tansavatdi here. In this video, I'll be sharing information that I have learned over quite a number of years about the importance of probiotics and at how it might help you in terms of healing after surgery. But even if you're interested in getting injections such as fillers, this can help reduce inflammation after those injections so that you heal faster and you don't have prolonged swelling. So why do probiotics help? It's because probiotics are increasing the amount of natural bacterial flora that are in both our gut, which you've probably heard by now about the gut microbiome. If you've heard that term, it's because our healthy gut contains about 10 times the number of bacteria in cells compared to the cells that are in our human body. So 10 times the amount of the cells that are living in us are bacteria. And those bacteria play an important role. It's a symbiotic relationship. I don't know if that term means anything, but in biology, it means that there is a relationship that each of us depend on each other. So the bacteria depends on us for the food that comes to it, and we depend on the bacteria to allow us to break down important nutrients. And so the health of our gut is the health of our body. The second area is the number of bacteria that are living on our skin. And you'd be surprised, there's about 1 billion bacteria in 1 square centimeter on the surface of our skin. 1 billion, that's right. That's a large number. And these bacteria play an important role too to the health of our skin. So, when we do surgery, there's an important part when we make a cut on the skin, we're introducing bacteria that's actually normally on our skin already. And we've gone through a whole sort of 360 as we've understood that bacteria play an important role in disease and infection, but also in health of our skin. So we want to actually prop up the good bacteria on the surface of our skin and try not to kill them by introducing antibiotics before surgery. So as much as I can, I try to minimize the amount of antibiotics I use around the time of surgery, and I try to promote with probiotics in my patients' health. So before surgery, I usually recommend that you start probiotics at least 1 month prior to surgery. Probiotics themselves are not helpful without some prebiotics. Now, you've probably heard that term, maybe not. Prebiotics mean it's the nutrients that the bacteria need to even flourish more. So prebiotics are included in certain nutrients and vegetables that are out there. But suffice it to say, a good source that you can find is there are some out there now that have prebiotics and probiotics in one whole regimen. And one of the ones that I like to recommend is one by Garden of Life. You can find other regimens out there, other companies that will produce the same, but you want to find one that has a prebiotic and probiotic together and doesn't include vitamin E, fish oil, or some other regimens that can cause increased bleeding from the surgery, or let's say you're having your injection, you don't want to increase the risk of bleeding from that. So there you have it. I hope this video was informative for you. And for more information and more videos about how to prepare for your surgery or injections, please visit our YouTube page or our IGTV channel. Thank you.